The phone says Vector sees a face. So yeah, it sees me. Yes, it's me, Vector. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I still get a lot of questions about Vector and his cube. So what does he do with one cube? Especially from people who have Cosmo, and Cosmo has 3 cubes, right? And he has like, I don't know, maybe like what, 50 games with the cubes? So Vector is a bit more limited, so I'll give you my conclusion right now as a bonus before the end. Do not buy Vector for games with the cube, okay? So Vector is not a cube playing robot. I'm going to show you in the next 3 minutes what he does with one cube. So typically when he's exploring a disk. So I'm going to move to my computer desk because this is not a typical area for Vector to play, and I did a couple of videos on that. It's too large, it's too big. Vector is too small, so I need to move to a more like typical small area with a couple of obstacles. So we will see what Vector does with only one cube. So this is a typical split we would have on a desk for Vector to move around. So I have here the stand for my monitor. I have my charger here for my Razer Phone 2. I have a video on that actually on my channel. And since I'm here, let me show you. This is my latest build here. I have also a couple of videos on that on my channel in a Thermaltake Core P5 case. So let's go back to Vector over here and see what he can do with his cube. Just to be clear, you don't need the app to be running for Vector to move around and answer commands, but if you do, you will see here what Vector does at the bottom of the screen. And also you can access the settings like I did, and you can change, for example, the eye's color from green to blue. Hey Vector, find your cube. You can see the LEDs on the cube, so that was quite fast. Again, hey Vector, roll your cube. There we go. I'm just going to reset the cube and move Vector over here. Hey Vector, pick up your cube. Very good. On the first trial, that was good. And I'm going to move him again here. Keep the cube there, but move him over here. Hey Vector, do a wheel stand. There we go. There you go. Perfect. And the last one we have is bring me your cube. So you're supposed to know where the voice is coming from. So let's try that here. I'm going to move sideways here. Oh, he missed it. He just missed picking up the cube. Hey, Vector, bring me your cube. Yes, I am here. I am right here. Okay, so you're supposed to bring the cube to me. Yeah, you do that. You do that sometimes. Actually, maybe like I would say 50% of the time he does it. We just saw that he missed picking up. Now he succeeded. He's going to turn around and come to the edge. Hey, Vector, what are you doing? Among all the things that Vector can do with the cube, this is probably the most difficult one. Like find the cube works well, roll your cube works well, pick up your cube, do a wheel stand. Only bring me your cube. I find that Vector doesn't do it all the time. So guys, like you saw, Vector does not do a lot with only one cube. So like I said, you would not buy Vector for the interaction with the cube. It's limited. Vector is a nice robot because he is autonomous. You don't need the app to be running. Vector will explore on your desk and you can ask him questions as a robot with his robot voice or as Alexa with the Alexa voice. So it's up to you. So I hope I was able to clarify here what Vector can do with only one cube. So thank you guys for watching. See you next time.